So I come outside to water the plants, and there's this bird that's like following me. Like he doesn't appreciate the fact that I put the net on the blueberries. And now I come outside my house, and this bird, where is he at? There you go. It's ice grilling me. Like I'm doing something to him by having nets over my blueberries. I don't know if I appreciate this. Look how close. I'm right here. Here he go. Now he try and get a little, oh, he trying to get a little rowdy. I don't know what's going on with him. Like look how close. I'm getting to this bird. And he ain't doing nothing. That's how you know we living in the last days. Lord is soon to come. Birds ain't even running no more. They're like, y'all got bigger problems.